Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. This is Rekha and you are watching my channel Crafty Notes, where I share DIYs, home decor ideas, organization tips and tricks and much more. This is the third part of DIY organizers made out of waste cardboard boxes. Today's organizers are really going to help you organizing your cupboard, and you will get the stuff at their desired place with the help of these organizers. So before I start the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. So without any further ado, jump into the video. For the first organizer, I am using a big size cardboard box. Cut the flaps. Now follow the steps and enjoy making a beautiful t-shirt holder. Draw the lines and cut with the craft knife. Take care of one thing, that the box should be sturdy enough. To cover it, I am using the same wallpaper I used in previous video. I will share the link of this in description box. I bought it from Amazon. Cover the box with it. It's really very easy to use it. You do not need to use Fevicol with this, and it is quite sturdy as well. For the inner side, I am using this vibrant colored paper. To make the box sturdy, I took a piece of cardboard for the base and fixed at the bottom. You can stack your t-shirt into it. They will not fall here and there, and you can take out one without disturbing others. You can buy these organizers as well, but you have to invest at least 300 rupees for that. But we made it for free and almost from waste material. Hope you like this DIY organizer. Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button. Let's move to our second DIY. I covered the box with white paper. You can use fabric as well. Now I took this piece of fabric and pasted around the box on the upper part with the help of hot glue. I pasted it inside as well. To decorate it more, I used black lace, which is from my old kurti. It just enhances the look of organizer. To decorate it more, I hang my old tassel earring, or you can use any kind of other earring. I am going to use it as jeans organizer in my almirah. It will help you organizing your wardrobe and make it clutter free. I hope guys you like this DIY as well. Don't forget to hit the like button. Last organizer for kids toys, so that's why I am using this big size sturdy box. Cut the flaps. To cover it, I am using this printed fabric appropriate for the kids. Paste it with the help of Fevicol around the box. You can use hot glue as well. Now on the upper part, I pasted pink fabric to make the border. I am pasting here black and blue ribbon. To beautify it, I am using pink and blue bow. You can cover the box from the inside as well. This organizer will help you to organize your kids' toys, soft toys, or any kind of toys you can put into it. You can place this box in the kids' room or even in living room, and this is going to look very beautiful. So I hope guys you liked all the DIYs of today's video. Do let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the notifications of my newly uploaded videos. In the next video also I will share more organizers. Till then, better take care of your health. Stay home, stay safe, be crafty. Bye bye.